Welcome back to my channel, El Combo, los más locos, ya tú sabes, donde hacemos de todo un poco. Welcome to my channel, pan. Today is a special day. It's gonna be a short clip, a little video that I did for my job, a place that I've been working for 20 plus years, and today is manufacturing day, so we are celebrating manufacturing day. So here is a little clip of what we do at PennGlobe. Here we go.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
All right, so short clip. So basically just a little bit of what we do at PennGlobe. And happy manufacturing day. So don't forget to follow, share, like, all that fun stuff that you guys, you know what to do. So I'll see you on the next one. Peace.